Assalamu alaikum everyone, and thanks to Bitcoin we have been looking at the market a little bit green right now, and even though Bitcoin has been the best performing coin at the moment, the altcoins are getting pumped, but it's not that solid pump. But at least for now there is a pattern that has formed up for Pepe, and I think we may say that you've broken above here. So on the 1 hour time frame you may see a move up. So basically this is your resistance there, a break above resistance, so come down for the retest, a small opportunity for you to trade, so you can take the trend line from there to there, and we could be looking at a move up. So if you do come down for the retest, this is going to be a push up for 4.57%. so it's just a small scalp, I think. So if you don't come for the retest, you may actually see this thing just going up here and then come down again in the future, who knows. Yeah, so right now Bitcoin is in a good environment, and this one right here also has not lost this demand box. So if you're looking for this 1, 2, 3, 4, you can even still come down, touch it again, and then try to move to the upside. Now I'm not really expecting the altcoins to look good anytime soon. I think altcoins are going to suffer in the next 2-3 months. For some people, they think that we may have a left shoulder head and a right shoulder as well. So if this is something that is going to be in play, we may start to see this thing breaking down, come up for the retest, and then finally drop down big time, right? One more thing is that on the daily, I do want to check the RSI as well, and let's look at the RSI. So the RSI has the potential of still dropping from here as well. Now you can see that there's a trend line going on here for the RSI. So I may put in a trend line right over there. And let's say in the future, if you ever see Pepe coming down, then I think it would be an amazing time to buy when Pepe drops down to this level of the RSI. Now, based on the history, you got a move down, purchase here, a pump to the upside. A move down again, a purchase there, a pump, and a move down, a purchase, and a pump. So if you join the dots right over there, and we try to bring in this as your resistance as well from there, and somewhat like this, okay, so this is another resistance that we may be looking at. So you come down and you take this all the way down, purchase here, a pump to the upside, and you may even be looking for a 40%, 50% opportunity. So I may say and suggest, instead of trying to force yourself into trading, I think have a solid plan. And for me, this does sound like a solid plan, that when it comes down, goes up. Now, it's not a financial advice, this is just my own personal thoughts. What do you think? Does it make any sense to do this way? I think it makes a perfect sense to me. Buying this way can be more safe than actually just trading randomly. Now you may even see RSI pumping here one more time, and the prices pump before they don't drop and then drop to the downside as well. So what I'm going to do is remove this one and everything as well. And I want to also estimate how many days does it take for a downtrend. So from the beginning here, it took from 6 May all the way down to 9 of June. So we're talking about 1 month of a downtrend. And the pump actually happened very, very quickly. Within 20 days, you actually pumped up. And then from 24 June all the way down to 5th of August. So that's almost like 40 days of a downtrend and 10 days of a pump to the upside. Now from 14th of August all the way down to 17 September. So minimum, it takes 1 month for a local bottom on the RSI to be printed out. So if we actually calculate an average of 35 days from 1st of October, we may see the bottom happening by 1st of November or perhaps 5th of November, and maximum is 9th of November. So maybe by the start of next month is when you may have a very big discount based on that history of the RSI. Now do let me know how the update was. If you enjoyed it, do like the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.